Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out this treadmill, and the manufacturer was actually nice enough to send this over to us for us to check out. Now, as you see right here, this is how it works. I've got it going at about 2 miles an hour right now, and it does have the nice handlebar right here that you can hold on to. This will easily fold down. I'll go ahead and show you how to do that. Additionally, it does come with a nice remote control right here, so if you're running really fast and you don't want to push the buttons, you can just have this in your hand, and it does have a loop on here so that you do not lose it. Also has your buttons on here. It's got a program button. It's got a lower the speed button, so I can lower this down. Lowest speed on this is going to be 0.6 miles per hour. And then you can ramp this up. I'm going to go ahead and step off this because it will get up and go really fast, faster than I can run. Goes up to 7.8 miles an hour, so that's a really fast speed on there. And then it does have a button right here that you can push, and it'll take this down to 3 miles an hour automatically, or it'll ramp it up to 3 miles an hour if you're going slower than that. Has your off and on button, and then additionally it has the little emergency thing right here which releases it, and it stops that really fast. If you're on that and you pull that, careful, because it will lock it into position almost immediately. Same thing whenever you hit this 3 button, it bumps that up really fast, so just be cautious about that whenever you are using this. Now, it is going to come with a bag of instructions on here with a little Allen wrench on there to do some maintenance if you need to, as well as some oil to lube up the belt on this as well. And then, like I said, whenever you're ready to stow this away, you just go ahead and turn this, and you'll turn this, which will allow this to fold down flat. And then you do have a switch down here to turn it off, and then you just unplug it. Right there you go, just like that. Now this does have some wheels on here so that you can easily move this around. And if you want to incline this, it will allow you to incline it a bit with these little legs down here. Just fold those open, and right there, you've got a couple inches of incline on that. Overall, I'm happy with it. Easy to use, easy to move around, easy to set up. Like I showed you, that's really all there is to it. So if you need a treadmill, a walking treadmill, a running treadmill, this gets up and goes, and it also goes nice and slow, go ahead and check this one out.